Hello everybody, hopefully everybody's doing well. I'm making another video regarding another issue that I had in my home. In this case, it has to do with my about 2-year-old washing machine. It's an LG inverted direct drive. It has the smart diagnosis, so supposedly you can connect it with the LG Think Q, I think it's called, the app. You can download the app and you can connect the washing machine to that app. And when it's malfunctioning and having issues, it should give you information as far as what the problem may be. Now, this particular model is the LG WT7100CW. Now, the issue that I'm having with this particular machine is it was working fine, and then out of the sudden, it stopped working. So I went to turn it on and it wouldn't. I started doing a little bit of online search. I checked, well, even before doing that, I of course checked the power because it wouldn't turn on. So I checked the power was fine. I checked the breaker, it was fine. At this point, I didn't know what exactly was going on. So I did a little bit of online digging, and a really cool trick that I found by another YouTuber. It was basically, it sounds kind of I don't want to say dumb, but in a sense, the whole fix is take the power off, like unplug it, leave it plugged off for 12, pretty much from 12 hours to 24 hours. In my case, it took longer than that because I left it unplugged for 24 hours, and it didn't fix it. So I had to actually leave it unplugged for about 2 days. And once I actually put it back, or plug it back, one thing I noticed is that if you see this outlet here, once I plugged that back in there, it is sparked, like it threw like a little spark. That's key to know if the washing machine is gonna work or not. And I saw the spark, I plugged it, it turned on. The problem is, this was Sunday, I believe. Today's Wednesday, and yesterday, Tuesday, I went to turn it on and same issue. I left it overnight off. I went in this morning, plugged it back on, and it turned on, so no problem. So it looks like so far that is the quick fix. I chatted with LG, and unfortunately, this only comes with a year warranty. So I did ask them why the machine had a 10-year warranty sticker on it, and they basically said, well, that doesn't cover everything. It only covers the drum and pretty much parts that are almost never gonna break. I mean, there's always a chance that something may break, but in this particular case, it's only for the drum. In other words, parts that probably they're never gonna break. So at this point, it sounds to me like it may be a electronic manufacturing problem. They didn't even offer to fix it. They said they can send out the technician, but it's gonna be out of pocket. So at this point, I decided to try the method of unplugging it, leaving it for 24 hours, plugging it back in again, and that fixed the problem. Now, if you guys are having the same issue with a LG inverted direct drive, True Balance, again, this particular model is the LG WT7100CW. That's basically a quick fix that you can do to get the washing machine working again. Hopefully LG, I'm hoping they watch this video and decides to do something, but I already contacted them and they basically said they couldn't do anything about it. So hopefully they watch this, and in future new washing machines, they fix this problem so nobody else has to go through the same problem. But that's what I have for you guys today. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment any questions, any comments in the section below. If you have a permanent fix that I can do, let me know in the comment section. I really appreciate that. Thank you guys, and have a good day.